Hey guys, welcome to our vlog.
Hey, I'm Ira.
Who are you? How old are you?
5. That's funny.
You're not 5 yet.
She is 4.
And she is?
6 million.
What's your name?
Macy. I am the Coco Dada, but the Shoko Dada will
Okay. So, ito po yung dalawa nating makulit na anak. Si Ate Macy at si Baby Ate. Alright. At ito naman po si Mami Edlin. Hi, Madam. Hi. At syempre, ako naman po si Daddy RJ. So, welcome to our vlog. Andito po kami sa Belgium. At magkikwento kami tungkol sa buhay namin dito. So guys, please like and subscribe para masubaybayan yung buhay namin dito. Ay, may kulang pa palang family family member. At ang aming missing family member ay si Willow, ang aming aso. So guys, subaybayan niyo po kami. Salamat! Today po walang pasok yung mga bata, kaya nag-isip ako kung anong gagawin namin. Eh, nag-i-scroll ako kanina, sabi ko, sa telepono ko, sabi ko, pwede bang magawa namin kasi wala pasok mga bata. Then napadaan ako sa mga restaurant. May nakita akong isang eat all you can restaurant na sa pag-lunch at was weekdays, libre ang mga bata ng below 12 years old. So saktong-sakto yun, yung anak ko 11 years old lang, saka 4 years old. So wala silang bayad. Kaya yun ang pupuntahan natin ngayon. Kaya samahan nyo kami kumain ng eat all you can dito sa amin sa Leuven, Belgium. Bye! Ate May, can you help Ayla to put her seatbelt? Thank you! I'm gonna close the door. And we are ready to go! Alright, see you guys later doon sa pupuntahan namin. At dumating na nga tayo dito sa Wok Dynasty. Diyan tayo kakain ng eat all you can. Come on, let's go! Abba! But Ate Macy don't like to eat here. This is not her favorite restaurant. Normally we're going to the dentist, ha? Kilig na kilig naman si Ate Macy. Hilig kasing mag-restaurant to si Ate Macy. Yeah. Alright, let's go eat here. Oh. Goedemiddag, we zijn met weer. Geen reservatie. Geen reservatie. It's okay, alright, we can sit down here. What are these? These are the tapas. So first, Ate Macy did sushi and put the noodles there. Professional chopstick dito yan. Can I take a video? Video? Thank you. Alright. Table order natin. Rice. Alright. Ayan, pinaluto natin si Chef. You want to try? Oh, ganyan kahaba yan mo sa linam. Malaki yan, malaki. Subo na subo si Madang. Dami kasi kinuha. Ginagamit sa kasubo. Kahit busog na matisman lang. Last plate bago mag-research I can fruit, yogurt, and a black ice cream. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Ano ba ito black ice